Drawstation Pass.
Please stand by. Our good friends over at ZCWO have joined forces with us for a special giveaway. A limited edition, officially licensed Garfield vinyl collectible figure. To enter, you must click and subscribe to our Drawstation channel and like the ZCWO Facebook page through the link in the description. Then, comment below and tell us what is Garfield's beloved teddy bear's name.
Hello everyone, it's me, your host, Mr. Sean. Thank you very much for tuning in. They say cats have 9 lives, but this overweight, short-haired ginger tabby eating machine seems to have been around for generations. My Drawstation army, I proudly present to you in all his glory, the cat who hates Mondays, Garfield. Garfield was created by Jim Davis, a resident of Marion, Indiana. Garfield was published locally as John in 1976. He later went into nationwide syndication in 1978 as Garfield. The cat is named after the creator Jim Davis's grandfather and also won the Guinness World Record for being the most syndicated comic strip, as well as reaching more than 263 million readers around the world. Garfield was born on June 19, 1978, in the kitchen of Mamma Leone's Italian restaurant, where he grew up on a staple diet of lasagna, pasta, pizza, and desserts. This soon became an uncontrollable addiction, and the owner had to decide between Garfield or the restaurant. Garfield was then adopted by his new owner, John Arbuckle, a socially awkward, slightly eccentric, and unpopular cartoonist. That reminds me of the time I single-handedly saved Christmas. It all began on a Wednesday. It was a right mess. Custard was everywhere, and that's why I never finished the sandwich, and the village was saved. And voila! Our drawing is done. Until next time, thanks for watching, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe.